Today we'll look at some altcoins. I've basically run through some of the altcoins and I've chosen the best ones which have the best trading setups in my opinion, and we'll look into them. So right now we can start with the DOT. As you can see, I am right now on the Btc pair. For me, it is important to have support on the Btc pair and USDT pair, and resistance. If I'm looking for a resistance, I want to have it on a Btc pair and also USDT. So as you can see right here on the Btc pair, what we have is the resistance. What is the confluence to our resistance? Right now we are at this key level in my opinion. And let's look what I have right here. So instantly you can see that I have this blue line, which is the daily level. Yeah. So naturally it is an untapped daily level. This is a resistance. Also, as a confluence, we have a golden pocket. As you can see, Fibonacci taken from this high to the low, and we are right now also at the golden pocket. It is also a really big resistance in my opinion. And the last thing is the value area high. As you can see, I've pulled my fixed range tool, and as you can see, we have a value area high right here. So this is definitely a resistance. And also we have a Fibonacci speed fan taken from the high to the low, and we are hitting right now the 618 speed fan. And yeah, that is a really nice confluence in my opinion. And if we look at the USDT pair, what we can see here is that just above us we have also a really nice resistance in my opinion. Why it is the resistance? Again, we have a golden pocket taken from the high to the low. Also, we have a very nice SR flip, and the daily level, which was which we formed way back then at the 11th of January. So it is the resistance. The USDT pair have to push a little bit to the upside to swing fill this high, and then we would go down. Let's move on to another altcoin which I have is the Luna. Let's start now with the USDT pair. And what do we have here? As you can see on the daily chart, we are right now on this channel. In this channel, we are going to the upside. The support is being respected really nice. The resistance is also being respected really nice. Now, if we zoom in, maybe into 2 hours time frame, what we can see right here is that we have bounced from the low of the range, and basically we had bullish market structure until now. As you can see, we right now made a lower high and lower low. So one could expect for the Luna to go even lower and hit some levels. What are important levels for me is basically this daily level. Why it is important? Because we have a value area low. As you can see, I've pulled the fixed range tool where I see this whole range. Yeah. So I pull it and I can see that I have a value area low very nicely acting as a support also. Also, that would be a swing fail pattern of this low. And as you can see, we also have a order block right here. So hitting this order block, the middle of the order block is really nice. So I would expect for price to hit again the low of the channel, swing failure this low, hit the order block, and then expect the bounce to the upside. Let's look at the BTC pair. What do we have right here? So very simply, I've marked again, let's look at the bigger picture. As you can see, we are in the same uptrending channel, yeah, to the upside. Really nice, really respected channel. I love it. And what do we have here is the weekly level. This weekly is old. As you can see, it was flipped into support already. And I'm expecting a swing fill pattern of this weekly because it is the 786 of the Fibonacci retracement tool. As you can see, I've pulled it from this impulse, from where we started this impulse to the upside to the high, and right here we have a 786. So this is a really nice confluence in my opinion. Also, I've pulled a pitchfork, as you can see right here, from the high to the low to the retracement, and as you can see, it is being really respected. So one could also look at this pitchfork. Maybe we would get deeper retracement to hit the pitchfork. And also I have a speed fan from here, from basically this low, not this, because in my opinion it is really respected. Look at the pivots right here, the high resistance, the high again resistance. So I could expect a support right here. As we know the support level for Luna, let's right now look at another altcoin, which is the Stellar. So what do we have right here? Very simply, I have a resistance level. Maybe I can show it to you like that, so it's less cluttery. So we have to zoom out right now to see it better. So I have a resistance to the upside. We have to go to the upside for 8% more. And what we can expect right here. As you can see, I have my fixed range again pulled from, let's say, where we started to go more sideways than this drop. Yeah, of course we went to the downside. That's a bearish market structure, but we went to the upside in such a channel, I would say. Yeah. So what we can see here, that we have a point of control. Also, we have a yellow line, which is the weekly level. So this is really great, an untapped weekly level. And what is very important in my opinion is the SR flip. Look at how we basically, we had a really nice support right here. We broke it, and right now it should act as a resistance just because it was acting as a support lately. Yeah, previously, sorry. So that is the key level in my opinion. And as you can see, also we have a golden pocket very close to our key level. Also, I have a speed fan taken from the high to the low. We have a potential 786 hit of the speed fan. It could also act as a really nice resistance. Let's go to the USDT pair. And what we can see right here is very similar resistance, I would say. We have again a weekly level, golden pocket from the high to the low, and we have a potential 618 speed fan taken from this high to the low basically. And as you can see, it is lining up right here really well. So basically in a few days I would expect for price to hit that level, and then we can look for a rejection. Also, I would really like to see a swing fail pattern of this high, because obviously people have their stop losses right here. Yeah, so that is it for the XLM. The next coin is Sol, which I want to look at, and very simply on the USDT pair we don't have such a massive, I would say, resistance, but however, as you can see, we have a daily untapped level. Well, we just hit it today, so this is a fresh I would say trade setup, yeah, in which we can react basically now. And we have a value area high of this whole range. As you can see, we went to the downside from a huge basically drop, so we could potentially see a price going to the upside, and we have bounced a little bit already, but for example a retracement again to the point of control would be very nice to retest this point of control. That is why we can reject from here. So we have a daily and value area high. If we move on to the BTC pair, what we can see right here is actually more confluence. What we have here is the weekly level, the 786 of the Fibonacci retracement. As you can see, from the high to the low, we have a 786 lining perfectly with our weekly level, and we just hit it and rejected. And we have also a value area high of this range. So that is a really nice confluence in my opinion. And yeah, that is it for Sol. And let's move on to the last altcoin which I want to show you today. Well, this is a brilliant support in my opinion, where we can see the support basically right here. Why it is very important? Because we have an order block, daily order block right here, and also the golden pocket, yeah, taken from this low to the current high. Of course, it can push to the upside, so we can adjust it somehow, well, basically where our wick would be. Yeah, we can have a 786 also at this level, but right now, as you can see, we have a golden pocket. Yeah, so that is really nice. Maybe I can extend it like that. And what is the more confluence? So daily, golden pocket, and very important, value area low. So value area low of this whole let's say part of the downtrend, yeah, as you can see, it is support for us. If we look at the BTC pair, then what we have is also really nice support in my opinion. We have 786, the point of control, and again the daily level right here, as you can see. I really hope that you liked my technical analysis on these alts, and if you did, if you liked it, please comment down below so I will know that you want to see more of that type of content, and I will definitely look at some more altcoins and do more technical analysis. Thank you for watching and see you later. Bye.